Kyle A. Morris here with my review on the Tomoko MMC023, also known as the I-500. A few of you asked me to review this keyboard after doing my review of the MMO21, also known as the I-800, and this keyboard costs roughly half of its bigger brother. The MM021 is currently $69.99 on Amazon, while the MMC023 is $36.99. There are some interesting things about the MMC023. It actually has a top made out of metal, where the more expensive keyboard's made of plastic. Also, both keyboards feature rubber feet, both front and rear on the keyboard, and both of them are water resistant. All that you're losing on the less expensive MMC023 is the number pad and the RGB LEDs. They appear to use the same switch, although they do sound a little different, which I'll demonstrate now. This is the MMO21. And now the MMC023. So again, as you can probably hear, the MMC023 is a little quieter and a little less clicky. I found that the keys also feel a little lighter than that of its bigger brother, the MMO21. I actually prefer the way that the more expensive keyboard feels, which does make sense given that it's twice the price. That being said, the MMC023 is a very capable keyboard, and had I not had them side by side, I don't think that I would find any flaw in the way that the MMC023 feels. It's a pleasure to type on. I also like the small form factor. In fact, if they offered this keyboard with RGB backlighting, even if it was just a single color, I would most likely prefer that in general over the MMO21. In summary, if you're looking for an inexpensive mechanical keyboard, I would definitely recommend checking out the MMC023. I don't really see enough benefits in the MMO21 to warrant double the price unless you need to have the RGB backlighting or the number pad. That being said, I'll leave links to both keyboards below, and also if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.